TikTok Lite for PC in 2026. Does it run or are you wasting your time? So the reality check, no official desktop version. There's no official TikTok Lite app for Windows or macOS. It simply doesn't exist as a desktop product. Mobile only by design. TikTok Lite is stripped down to mobile app built specifically for low-end smartphones in emerging markets, not for PCs. Emulator workarounds are flawed. Running it through a BlueStack or similar tool is resource heavy, glitch prone, and largely unnecessary for most users. So your best desktop alternative, official website. Just type in tiktok.com is the fastest and safest and most optimized way to browse TikTok on in any PC or Mac. No install needed. Progressive website app, Edge, or Chrome to get a dedicated app icon and standalone window without the bloat. Microsoft Store app, a desktop-friendly wrapper that integrates with your taskbar notification better than any emulated mobile version. Why emulation is usually a waste of time, high system cost, broken controls, and missing safety features. So yeah, so stay on the web, skip the risk, avoid unofficial stores, crack apps. They carry real security risks with zero benefits. Use the browser, the official website, or PWA delivers a seamless lag-free experience that's officially supported and always updated. Smart workflow. Treat your phone as a studio for creating and editing and your PC as the control room for browsing and uploading. So there you go, guys. That's how I do it. Or if you want, you can just download it from the Microsoft Store in your PC, but it's not TikTok Lite in your PC. But there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have no question, concerns, have a question below, guys. Have it answered as soon as possible, guys. See you guys on the next one, and thank you, guys.